Okay. Fjord rafting. Natalia is excited. I'm excited to get wet. I hope I do. Oh, my bag's open.
I hope you do.
Yeah. Woo! Mega wave.
Woo!
Oh, here we go.
Oh my
Oh, got a bit on my leg. Oh, it's cold, but. Oh, we got a great view of Natalia here. Yeah, you're gonna get a mega weight on it.
No,
She's gonna be fuming.
Mega weight.
Look at that. This is a great rapid. Oh my gosh! Oh, look at the fuming. Watch out. Oh, you avoided it all. Oh, right over the camera.
Oh, no, I have got it.
Yeah, man.
Like some tree guy.
Oh,
God.
cave.
Oh, that hurt.
Oh.
I'm banging you around.
Wow. Cool in here. Smoke effects. Oh, through the smoke effects. Woohoo! Oh, here we go. Proper rapids now. Mega wave. Oh, mega wave. Oh my god. This is crazy.
I'm holding on.
This is crazy.
It's these barrel things that are the worst. Innit? Proper throwing your barrel.
This is crazy. Woo, down the rapids we go. Oh, this is great. I'm enjoying this. Oh. Natalia's enjoying it. You're not got wet yet.
A little bit.
Sprinkles. Sprinkles. Oh, you're gonna get a mega wave now though.
No, better not. Better not get mega wave. I'll just hide behind this boat.
Good idea. Oh yeah, you're lucky it's spinning round. Here we go, mega wave. Oh, that was cold. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got soaked.
Push him. Are you gonna push him?
I got so wet.
Oh my.
That was freezing. I am soaking wet. Oh my goodness. The waterfalls. Oh yay, camera. Whoa. I think that's the end of the rapids. Oh my god, I am soaked. I am soaked. My phone.
Thank God I'm
my
not
phone.
the most wet one.
No, it got right where my phone was.
I told you.
Oh no. Oh dearie me.
Can't finish yet. We're going uphill. Oh no.
Oh, it stopped just at the right time for you. Look at this theming in here. Oh. Oh. Awesome theming in here. That's cool. Makes you not bored of the lift up. I am so wet. There you go, everybody. Fjord rafting.